Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is JIT happens. From the machine name, we can know that this loom has something to do with the JIT. I think you know the JIT. We need to master this utility very well. For example, we need to get some exploits from the GitHub. Okay, so I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the target. As always, I'd like to use the attack box provided by the Tryhackme to do this penetration. So now what we are going to do next, of course, before we move forward, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So then, of course, the first thing we need to do the information gathering. And to be specifically, we need to do the port scanning. The tool I'd like to use is a map. To save time of this video, I've already done the map scanning earlier, and we can cut out this result. As you can see, of course, the IP address would be a bit different. However, the result would be the same. And because I spawned the machine in different time, and I use the option like sync scan, the version scan, and the default script scan. So from the map scanning, we can know that the target has only one open port, which is 80. Running HTTP service and also the version information, which is injects, including the version number. So what we are going to do next into enumeration. Of course, here also the script scan has already told us the target has this directory JIT. Of course, we need to get down or clone the repository from the target and then analyze such data. And but before we do that, I'd like to use the browser to do some manual enumeration to see what it's about. And we can put the IP address. Let's press enter. Login. We are prompted by the user login panel. For example, we can use the admin and admin login. And also we can check the source code of this page. And we can scroll down. We cannot do that. And we need to locate the form. Input ID, the ID input button login, and on click this should be password. So however, this link is not effective at all. So how to do? Maybe we need to use some sort of the JIT enumeration tool to make some specific enumeration, right? And you can use the Google to make some research. And I think there are a variety of similar tools like JIT dumper to do for our purpose. And for example, like a JIT dumper, like JIT hack. And in this case, I'd like to use this one. We can open a new tab, and we can install this utility by pip. This is the Python module or package installer. I think I've already, the install this utility is very easy. We just run this command. And now we can go back to our terminal because I've already Yeah, install and git dump or dumper. Yeah, I've already installed earlier. So now what can we oh, sorry, not my bad. I mistyped this. Git should be git, not jig. Yeah, already satisfied because I installed earlier. Next, we can run this git dumper and let's press enter. Yeah, this will give us the instruction on how to use this utility. Yeah, we need to specify the URL, which includes the git repository directory. And this is the dir. This one should be the local directory where install or where not store, store or save the files and the data from the target. And we can set up the local directory on the attack box, for example, like maybe test. Yeah, you can choose whatever name, and then we can git dumper URL. Yeah, from the map scanning, we have already know the URL, the IP address, and git, and the local directory. Let's press enter. Yeah, fetching files and directory from the target, the git repository. And now we can list the files, and then we can go inside this directory. So how to now, since we have already downloaded or get down the data or content from the repository, the remote repository, then we need to use some commands, the git commands, to make enumeration. For example, the first one, we need to run is git log, and this command will display the commit history. And let's press enter. Yeah, like author, email, and time, and also the SHA hash value of this commit. Yeah, each commit needs some sort of the ID number to differentiate between each other, right? And we can walk through the history of the commits, but nothing. Yeah, this one, made the login page because just now we log in or access this home page, we are prompted by the user login panel. So maybe this login page contains some credentials, right? Made the login page boss. So how to display the exact content of this commit? We just copy this hash value, SHA value, or ID. Maybe we can call it git and show. Yeah, we need to use the git show command and paste the ID number. Yeah, we got the, I think, all information which is related to this commit can be displayed over here. For us, we are just interested in the credentials, username, and passwords. So we just press any key. I think until now, some HTML code script. Username, The end. Yeah, the username is a domain and the password is this one. So I think we have already got the answer for the question of this room. And we do not need, yeah, of course, you can paste in here and submit, which should be correct. So that's pretty much it. This room is very easy. And I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.